In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S20 step by step. Setting it up with the My Home app lets you control cleaning, schedule runs, and check status right from your phone. First, make sure your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S20 is fully charged and turned on. Next, download and open the My Home app on your smartphone. Sign in or create a free account if you don't have one yet. Tap the plus icon to add a new device. Search for Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S20 in the device list and select it. Follow the app's instructions to put your vacuum into pairing mode, usually by pressing and holding the power button until you hear a beep or see a blinking light. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, since the vacuum only supports this frequency. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Wait while the app connects to your vacuum. Once connected, you'll see it in the app and can start cleaning, setting schedules, and customizing settings easily. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more smart home guides.